I'll show you how to use Google AI Studio on PC in 2026. Using Google AI Studio on a PC or laptop is convenient because you get a larger screen, a full keyboard, and more space to work with prompts, code, and AI projects. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC or laptop. Then go to the official Google AI Studio website and sign in with your Google account. Once the Google AI Studio workspace opens, take a moment to explore the interface. Depending on the current version, you may see options for creating prompts, testing Gemini models, building applications, and working with API features. To start using Gemini, create a new prompt. Type an instruction into the prompt area and ask Gemini to perform a simple task. For example, you can ask it to explain a topic, summarize information, generate ideas, write content, or help you understand a piece of code. After running the prompt, review the response. If you want a different result, modify your instructions and run the prompt again. One advantage of using Google AI Studio on a PC is that you can easily work with longer prompts and code. You can also switch between browser tabs when researching information or working on your development project. If you're using Google AI Studio for coding, you can enter code-related instructions and ask Gemini to generate, explain, improve, or troubleshoot code. For application development, explore the available project and app building features. If API access is required, follow Google's current setup instructions and keep your API keys secure. You should also make sure your browser is updated. If Google AI Studio doesn't load correctly, try refreshing the page, checking your internet connection, or using another supported browser. Avoid entering passwords, private API keys, confidential documents, or other sensitive information into prompts unless you understand the applicable data and privacy settings.